Remember when TV was the king of entertainment? Not anymore. More people are choosing YouTube over traditional television than ever before. But is that a good thing, or are we just trading one screen for another? Let's break it down. Cable TV used to be the way people consumed entertainment, but today it's on life support. Kind of like that one show you loved that got canceled after one season. Between 2015 and 2023, traditional pay TV services lost over 30 million subscribers in the US alone. Meanwhile, YouTube is thriving, with over 2.5 billion monthly active users worldwide. TV networks are scrambling to keep up. Late-night talk shows, news segments, even reality TV, they're all migrating to YouTube. And honestly, if YouTube starts airing cable news, that is the end for us. One major reason? Control. With YouTube, viewers decide what to watch and when. Gone are the days of waiting for a show to air at a specific time. Instead, people binge entire series on demand. No ads unless you want them, no schedules, just pure choice. And it's not just casual entertainment. People now turn to YouTube for news, learning, and even in-depth analysis of current events. Studies show that YouTube is the second most popular source for news among adults in the US, just behind Facebook. Because nothing says trustworthy journalism like getting your news sandwiched between a cat video and a conspiracy theory about pigeons. Another reason for the shift? Relatability. YouTube gives creators a direct connection with their audience, something TV networks never could. Some of the biggest YouTubers, like Mr. Beast, pull in hundreds of millions of views per video, far surpassing even major TV shows. To put that in perspective, the Game of Thrones finale had 19.3 million viewers, while Mr. Beast's $1 versus $500,000 plane ticket video got over 200 million views. That's more than 10 times the audience. Traditional TV just can't compete with that. I mean, when was the last time a TV host gave away an entire island to a random viewer? YouTube isn't just hosting random videos anymore, it's producing its own content. YouTube Originals have launched everything from documentaries to full-fledged shows. In fact, companies like Netflix and Hulu are now buying rights to YouTube creators' content because they see the potential. Meanwhile, traditional networks are struggling. Some are uploading full episodes of their shows to YouTube just to stay relevant. Others are launching their own streaming services, hoping to compete. But will it work? Probably not. At this point, we have so many streaming platforms that even my grandma asked me if she needs a Disney Plus subscription to watch the news. TV isn't dead yet, but it's evolving. Cable companies are losing subscribers every year, while YouTube and streaming services are growing. The next generation may never even know what cable TV was. Instead, they'll grow up in a world where entertainment is fully online. In the future, we might explain cable TV to kids the same way people talk about dial-up internet. Yeah, you had to wait for a show to air at a specific time. And if you missed it, well, too bad. Sounds barbaric, honestly. What about you? When was the last time you actually sat down to watch live TV? Do you think YouTube will completely replace it? Or are we just heading toward a future where everything is either a subscription or an ad? Let me know in the comments below.